Hey lads, TechScanning here. So during the last few weeks, Xiaomi's next generation foldable phone, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 has been in the news. And we even got some of its key specifications hinting at a promising foldable phone. However, now the Xiaomi speaks out and finally the brand's president confirmed that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 will go official sometime in August, that is around 2 weeks after the launch of Samsung's upcoming foldable phones. He further revealed that their upcoming foldable phone will be manufactured in a new smart factory that has undergone several significant upgrades. So this will help them to manufacture a new device that will be thinner and stronger than its predecessor. The last year's Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 had quite a thin profile than its competitors with 11.2mm thickness in the folded state and just 5.4mm when unfolded. So in my opinion, this will be great as you don't feel much while carrying such a bigger size device. As per the early reports, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 will hold the 6.56 inches cover and 8.02 inches foldable display that is the same as its predecessor has. And most likely both of these displays will have 120Hz refresh rate. However, the most interesting part that the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 will be the first book-style foldable phone with a quad camera setup. While most of the camera details are under wraps, however, as per a Chinese tipster, the device will have two zoom lenses, one with 3.2x zoom and the other one with 5x optical zoom. Unsurprisingly, the camera system of the Mix Fold 3 will be tuned by Leica. And I think it is good because their partnership is working great as we seen in the case of Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Since foldable phones often criticized for poor camera performance, hopefully this time we will get a capable camera system matching the regular flagship phones. On the performance side, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 will be on par with the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 as both of these will be powered by an overclocked version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Anyway, there will be more to share in the coming weeks. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.